RBI's MPC voted to keep the benchmark repo rate unchanged at 6.5%. Retail inflation in US stood at 0.2% month-on-month and 2.4% year-on-year in September 24, above market consensus of 0.1% month-on-month and 2.3% year-on-year respectively. Welspun Enterprises received a letter of acceptance from BMC for a waterway tunnel worth Rs 1,989 crore. Torrent Power received 2 letters of award from the Maharashtra State Electricity Distribution Company for a long-term supply of 2000 MW of energy storage capacity for its INSTS connected pumped hydro storage plant. GR Infra Projects received a letter of acceptance for a project valued at Rs 904 crore from Maharashtra Metro Rail Corp. Mazgaon Dock Shipbuilders received an order worth Rs 122 crore from Maharashtra State Power Generation Co. to supply, install and commission AI-based comprehensive infra-secure project. Vishnu Prakash R. Punglia received an order worth Rs 161 crore from Northwestern Railway Jaipur. Siddharth Yog bought 0.3% stake in Trent, while Dodona Holdings Limited sold 0.3% stake through block deals. Aeon Jyoti LLC sold 0.7% stake in Jyoti Structures through bulk deals. UBS Capital Asia bought 0.5% stake in IDFC through bulk deals. Citigroup Global Market Mauritius bought 1.6% stake in IdeaForce Technology, while Goldman Sachs India Equity Portfolio sold 1.5% stake through bulk deals. Promoter entity Hoches GmbH sold 60.4% stake in Sanofi Consumer Healthcare India, while Opella Healthcare bought 60.4% stake through block deals. Stay tuned for more such interesting updates.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.